Are you ready to play outside? An Elephant and Piggy book. Mo Willems. Are you ready to play outside? Mo Willems. Piggy, Gerald, are you ready to play outside? Yes, yes, yes. We're going to do everything today. We are going to run. We're going to skip. We're going to jump. Nothing can stop us. Blink. Oh no, it is starting to rain. It is raining. It is pouring. It is really pouring. I have never seen so much rain in my life. I do not like rain. I'm not a happy pig. Thank you, Gerald. But it is still raining. Grrr. How can anyone play outside with all this rain? Rain, yeah. Can you see the earthworms over here from the ground? They're having fun. Splash, 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 splash. The earthworms have fun. They're having fun. Maybe we can have fun too. We can try. Splash. This is great. Let's play. Run, run, run. Skip, skip, skip. Jump, jump, jump. I love rain. I hope it rains all day. Rats. Now I like rain. And now the rain has stopped. I'm not a happy pig. Don't worry, Piggy. I have a plan. Rain? Elephants make the best friends. Now we find out this may be in the sunshine.